Good morning students. I hope all of you are doing well. In today's video we will do exercises from chapter 3 Objects in Word 2016. Now let's begin. Microsoft Word 2016 is a word processing application which allows you to create number of documents including letters, resumes, greetings and more. Word 2016 is similar to Word 2013 and Word 2010. Along with text, you can insert pictures, insert word art, format text and pictures both. So, MX Word 2016 एक प्रोसेसिंग एप्लीकेशन है जिसमें आप डॉक्यूमेंट्स बना सकते हैं, लेटर्स लिख सकते हैं, रिज्यूम्स बना सकते हैं, देन अपनी ग्रीटिंग्स बना सकते हैं. एंड MX वर्ल्ड 2016 सिमिलर है 2013 से एंड वर्ड 2010 से. इसमें आप सीखेंगे कि कैसे आप टेक्स्ट में एक इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं पिक्चर या फिर इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं वर्ड आर्ट या फॉर्मेट टेक्स्ट कर सकते हैं या पिक्चर्स ऐड कर सकते हैं. सो दे आर फॉलोइंग स्टेप्स to do that. So all the steps you have to learn, these all steps are given in your book, and I have also explained in my previous videos also what are the steps to add effects to word art, to insert a text box and how to insert a picture. So all the steps we have done in our previous videos also. If you have not watched that video, so please go and watch all the videos related to chapter 3 because chapter 3 is included in your half yearly. So please go through all the videos and make your notes. Now let's begin with our exercises. Now students, all of you please take out your computer book and open page number 36. Exercise A, put a tick on the correct option. So you have to choose the correct option. 4 options are given, you have to choose one. So the first question is, which of the following is not true regarding word art? So ऐसा कौन सा सेंटेंस है जो ट्रू नहीं है वर्ड आर्ट के बारे में? फर्स्ट, राइट click the object, click the object, double click the object, triple click the object. So it is false. So this is your correct answer because you have to choose not true, जो सही नहीं है. So सही क्या नहीं है? D option, triple click the object. Now question number 2, which of the following position is not available for fonts on MX Word? So options are normal, raised, lowered, centered. So the correct option is centered, which is not available in MX Word. So MX Word में आपका normal होता है position, raised भी होता है, lowered भी होता है, but centered नहीं होता है. Third question, bold, italic, regular are known as font styles, font effects, word art, टेक्स्ट इफेक्ट. सो ये आपका फॉन्ट स्टाइल है. ये डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स है लिखने का. जैसे आप बोल्ड लिख सकते हैं, इटैलिक लिख सकते हैं, देन रेगुलर लिख सकते हैं. सो ये आपके फॉन्ट स्टाइल्स हैं सारे. सो ऑप्शन आपका ए सही है. नाउ कमिंग टू फोर्थ, चेंजिंग द अपीयरेंस ऑफ अ डॉक्यूमेंट इज कॉल्ड प्रूफिंग, एडिटिंग, फॉर्मेटिंग, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. So the correct answer is C, formatting. So all the exercises you have to write in your fair computer copy. Now students, coming to exercise B, in this you have to fill in the blanks. So the words are text group, text effects, word art, web, text box. First sentence, text group gallery is available in the insert tab. Second, the word art icon is located in the word art. Third, to create a curve effect on the drawing tools format tab, click text effects. Fourth, select the Insert tab and then click the text box command to insert a text box. Now fifth, select Insert online picture for a picture that is on the web. Now coming to exercise C, in this you have to write T for true and F for false statement. So the first sentence is Word 2016 is similar to Word 2013 but different from Word 2010. So it is true कि सारे जो आपके मैंने अभी आपको बताया था कि 2016 MX 2016 या फिर MX 2013 या MX 2010 सब एक दूसरे से सिमिलर होते हैं. जितने भी आपके ये जो एप्लीकेशन सब एक दूसरे में उसमें जो पहले इनके जो फीचर्स हैं इसमें भी वही फीचर्स होंगे बट ये थोड़े मॉडिफाइड वे में होंगे एंड थोड़े डिफरेंट होंगे बट दे आर सिमिलर टू ईच अदर्स. ओके, सो इट इज़ ट्रू. Second, existing text can be converted to word art in MX Word. It is true. Third, you can change the fill and outline color of the word art text. It is true. Fourth, in Word 2016, you can only add pictures from your PC. So it is false. No, you can add pictures from web also. Okay. So it is false. Fifth, you can wrap text along a picture. So it is true. So all the exercises you have to write in your fair computer copy. And your homework for today is exercise D, which is given on the same page, page number 36. In this you have to answer the following question. 5 questions are given. You have to find out the answers from your chapters and then write in your rough copy. In next class we will discuss the answers of these questions. All of you please do your homework and don't forget to write your name, class with section for your attendance. Thank you class. Be safe and stay at your home.